So guys, here we have is our gold. By the way, we would want to see where the price for the gold we're moving, right? So if you've not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button, like and share. Now to actually move see this price movement itself, I want us to understand this gold itself because I've done fundamental analysis on it. You can check the channel out. I'll click it above, I'll pin it above so you can watch it. We all know that once there's a bullish move on the USD index itself, we tend to see a drop on the gold. Why? When there is a drop on the USD index, then we will see a rise in the on our gold. Now I want to show you an example before we go into this analysis on this gold. Take a look at this movement. This was around 808. This was around August, right? We saw this USD index, right? This is our USD currency index, right? The price actually rose up. If you notice at this same period, which is 08, which is about August, you can see that this is when this price drops it 08 around this August. This is exactly where we started having this drop on our gold, by the way. So as the USD is rising, then the pair, anything we are trading it to, it definitely drop. So I mean, once the USD is now dropping, when the USD is not dropping, that is when we'll see a rise in gold. So USD, take a look at this movement on our USD right here. This was about 07 here. We saw this drop on our USD index. It was around this 07 period here. We saw this rise up on our gold. Now take a look at this USD index. We are on a bullish move, right? Take a look at this movement. This was an higher high. So let's start this movement from here. Higher highs, a pullback, right? Then we add another movement upward, higher highs. Then we add a pullback. After this pullback, right, we are expected to go up again, right? So we would want to see this price USD index go bullish till it actually take out this previous high. So we are expecting a bullish move to on our USD index to be able to take out this previous higher highs, right, and continue to go bullish. So as we would be having this bullish move that will be giving us on our USD index, then definitely we would continue to see that drop on the gold. So if you take a look at this gold itself, you see that this gold is actually on a bearish move. So I mean, we see that we are seeing lower lows, lower highs, even on the foot trend. Take a look at this foot trend on gold, right? See it, right? The price is actually on a bearish move, right? Price is dropping. And I've also included 10-period moving average. The price is below our 10-period moving average. Of course, we all know once the price is below the 10-period moving average, we have to short it. So this is why we are on a bearish move, but we kind of add this huge candlestick wick here. You know, price actually rose up, right? We will be seen as a pullback level on the 4-hour time frame. It is more very visible on the 4-hour time frame. So we can see this as a drop, right? Then a pullback. Then after the pullback, what we would be expecting next is another drop on gold. So as we've closed bearish on the level today, we would be expecting to close bearish the next day, which is on the 12th on our gold. So guys, actually we would actually be going down on our gold at least to be able to take out these lows here. So gold, we will continue to see a drop on our gold, by the way. Now take a look at here. You can see, of course, price will react at a certain level. So this is another one reason why price is actually reacting at this level, right? Reason is that price has once reacted at this level here, more visible on the 4-hour time frame though. Price actually reacted here, so price has got to that same level. So of course we would expect price to react at this level. Then again, price should be able to break below the next level where price will be dropping to come out and react is at this lows where we add this pullback. So gold again, we are expecting a drop on our gold USD. Now let's take a look at it on this 4-hour time frame. To place this trade, we will go down to the 4-hour time frame. So clearly we can see on this gold, this was a bearish move, a correction we had here, then a bearish move. We can see there's a correction, then here a bearish move. Of course, after the bearish move, a correction should happen. So it is what we've had here. So now that we've gotten the correction, what we would be expecting is another drop again. So if you want to take this trade, I personally would have say maybe once the price actually break these lows on the 4-hour time frame. So once the price actually break these previous lows where we had a pullback, Once price can break below it, then you can now enter to short this gold, and we would see it drop to the next level of 1642. So we are currently at 1666. It depends on when you're watching it, by the way. It could have dropped further down, so it depends. So we would want to see drop to a level of 1642. So gold, by the way, for the next day, we are still expecting to go bearish on our gold. And let's see what 1 hour time frame says, by the way. So basically, it's still it's still kind of like a pullback level, and the pullback has just broken, it has just dropped. So once again, let the price actually break these lows before we can enter to trade our gold.